We've never seen DK Shivkumar so anxious. He's meeting MLAs, he's rallying support, particularly from the Vokkaliga community at this point. He's met with the influential Vokkaliga Seer, which is clearly a show of strength for DK Shivkumar here. Speaking to the media, DK Shivkumar said that the moment the High Command calls him, he is going to fly to Delhi. That will be his priority. He calls Delhi the Congress's temple and says that Delhi will guide me, which clearly shows that there is something brewing, but he isn't, of course, revealing much to the media. He only says, it's all fine, we're not fighting, there's no power struggle, but I hope Delhi and the High Command intervenes and sorts this out. So here is DK Shivkumar, who clearly says, as much as he's meeting the community leaders like the Vokkaliga Seer and other community leaders, and Vokkaliga community across parties we hear is backing DK Shivkumar. He says, I'm not part of any community per se, I work for all sections of Karnataka, but I want to meet the High Command. Here's what he said.
I'll go to Delhi because Delhi is our temple. Delhi is our temple. We have to go there. All of us are without Delhi, nothing can go. Congress party is a party with a big history, and always Delhi will guide us. We may rule here. Ultimately, we have a policy contained to the whatever the policies of the Congress party and the constitution. We have to work by that. So we will go to Delhi whenever they call me and the party leaders, including my chief minister. We will go there.
So the Vokkaliga leaders seem to be upset.
I don't want any of community angle. I have my own angle. My community is Congress community. Congress is my community. They, of course, I may belong to one community. They may like me. That is different. My love is there to all sections of the society. It may be a backward class, it may be a scheduled caste, it may be a minorities, everyone. Even Vokkaligas are backward class people. So
you went to.
All right. The media, of course, hovering over DK Shivkumar at this point. Everyone wants to know whether or not he's going to be the next CM of Karnataka. At least he is really wanting to so bad. And a lot of leaders in Karnataka who are wanting him to become the CM because then they get their due. Many of them are waiting to become cabinet ministers. If Siddaramaiah remains, Siddaramaiah's loyalists remain in the cabinet. If DK comes to power, then hopefully DK's men will take over as the next set of ministers in Karnataka. But well, that's all now up to the High Command to decide. The crisis is really pushed the Congress leadership to the edge. It's a true test for the Congress High Command at this point. Now remember, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's Ahinda base